In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am Kashaf from Chemistry Department and my ID is 018. Moving toward the vast course of SQL, which is Introduction to Relational Database. So, in Introduction to Relational Database, I have learned how to form our first database, how to enforce data consistency with attribute constraints, how uniquely we can identify records with key constraints, and how to glue together tables with foreign keys. And throughout this course, we will work with the data which we used for our investigations. We will create a relational database from scratch. We will learn three concepts: what are constraints, what are keys, and what are differential integrity. So what is relational database? Firstly, we should know about this. A relational database means it's a real life entities becomes tables. For example, we form tables in relational database like professor, universities, and companies tables. Second one, we reduce redundancy, like only one entry in companies for the blank or credit Suisse. The third one is data integrity by relationships, like professor can work at multiple universities and companies. A company can employ multiple professors. So we can create basically a table in relational database table systems. So in the introduction to relational database, firstly our duty is to look at the PostgreSQL database. For example, we will given a table schema and a table name from information schema tables, and we have to take the table schema and table name. Now we will look at the column of a certain table. So firstly we will select a column, or how to select columns from a certain table. It's very easy. We will select table name, column name, and data type from a certain table. And the certain table name is information schema column, and where table name will be pg config, it will be written on the query sheet. So now we will query the right table in information schema to get columns. So it's very easy. Firstly we will select column name, data type from information schema column as we have discussed earlier, and where table name will be equal to university professors and table schema will be public, because universities are public, so that's why table schema will be public. And at last, this is a certificate of accomplishment that I have gotten for successful completing my course Introduction to Relational Database in SQL. And thanks so much. That's all from my side.